Hi guys, Michael here. This video is to explain what Excel is and what Excel does. I've seen a lot of videos explaining different functions of Excel, but it doesn't really explain what you actually use the application for, and I'm going to give you some examples. Remember at school when we used to have these maths books, and the maths books had tiny little squares in it that you can write numbers into, and it also had pages. Excel is similar to that. So what you do is you can put things into the little squares, and it's also got pages as well. So the big difference between Excel and the maths book is you can change the size of the squares, you can format the squares, and at the bottom Excel has tabs, and these tabs you can think of them as pages. In a way, Excel is like the perfect notebook for everything in life. Not just for accountants and finance people, you can use it for everyday stuff as well. When you first open Excel and then you select File, Home, and then New, Excel gives you a bunch of templates of things that it can do that's useful. Let's go through some of these. Here we have an automatically generated calendar, and you can adjust the calendar to how you want it to look, but you can just add things to your calendar, and you can see it from multiple devices. So if you have Excel in your desktop computer, you can then see it on your phone as well. So it's very useful. Within this calendar, you can type in your daily events, or you can type in birthdays, and you can add more months to the calendar as you need it. If you run a small business, you could use Excel to create invoices for your customers, and it's easy to save copies and just make small changes for future customers, and it saves you a lot of typing. In the actual pricing columns, you can have formulas that automatically add up the price for each item and the totals. Microsoft Excel is great for making lists. One example is you could use it for Christmas shopping lists. You could use it for supermarket shopping lists. And the thing goes on and on. If this sort of stuff is useful to you, hit the like and subscribe button, and then I'll see you in future videos.